Hi, welcome back to JJD Outdoors. Today I'm going to take you on a quick tour on 2 elevated blinds that we custom built. If you guys have any suggestions, please leave them in the comment. And if you guys could get any ideas off of how we built ours, that'll be great. Come take a look. So inside here we have a solar light. Gets charged by this solar panel right here. We have 6 windows in this blind. 2 of them are vertical because we like to bow hunt out of them. It's this one here, here, here. We have indoor plumbing. We have a comfortable computer chair, and we also have a little buddy for heat. And we also have this other light right here. We also built this custom shelf. You could put some drinks. We have this beanbag. Here's the view out of the vertical window. This front window here has a magnet that'll hold it open. And then outside, this is where we store our propane tank. And this 2x4 comes out. So when you're inside hunting, it won't affect your sight. Now I'm going to take you on the second blind. Okay, so we just arrived to the second elevated blind. I don't know if I mentioned previously, but the blinds that we build are 5x6, and we also insulate them with 1-inch foam boards, and we also paint the inside of the stands black. Let's go take a look inside. So as you can see, we try to build our blinds pretty much identical. The only difference with this one is we install curtains here and on this side. If you guys have any ideas or suggestions, drop them down in the comments. We would love to hear from you. And please consider subscribing to our channel. We would appreciate it very much. And also, thanks for watching.